Hello guys, thank you so much, and please welcome back to another episode of my channel. I'm Boss KIRK. If it's the first time you're watching this channel and never met me before, who travels around the world to lots of interesting places to encourage tourists to travel. Yes guys, and today I'm going to be walking along the strip, and I'm going to be giving you a strip tour today guys. So I'm going to be taking you a strip. So we are already here at the strip guys. It's quite a busy street. Yep, so I'm getting ready now guys, so let us get into this video. Let's go along the strip. Yes guys, thank you so much and welcome back. Yes, this is a 4K tour. Yes, I'm Jamaican.
Yes guys, thank you so much for watching a few of these videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much guys. And yes, that's me travel over from Marmaris and back here again guys in Icmeler. Yeah, so this is what I'm giving you today guys. It's the Icmeler strip tour and also the beach tour guys. I did manage to show you a bit in the music there while the music was playing. So it's a bit of everything guys. But along this strip now, I'm walking in Icmeler. Along this strip here is a very, very peaceful place guys. You can see only a few people here. It's not many people. There you go guys. See, just wave to me. Look at that. Very nice people guys, so the thing I like here in Icmeler guys, on this side of the land is completely different. This island is completely different. It's a difference, a big difference guys, from when I was in Marmaris. It's so different over here, and I'm still getting the same friendliness guys. The same people it's the same thing, it's like the people are friendly, but here is just more quiet. That's all it is. That's the big difference here. So the name of this strip, if you guys want to know, is Icmeler Strip. You know, that's the strip of Icmeler. And in the night times, they will have a few bars, or 1 and 2 bars, and a little karaoke in the night as well. You know, it's very peaceful, guys. It's a peaceful place to stay, you know. I love to stay in places like this. I love it. It's very just nice and simple. But just to be honest, guys, it's a bit pricey.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
I'm okay, buddy. Thank you. Come back to one of them. Keep on.
And right now, guys, it's really, really hot at the moment. You know, it's really hot. And you see the beach here, guys. Beach and cafe. It's a free shower, free Wi-Fi, and toilets you can use. And this little sign here is activities. Yes, activities. Yeah, you can do. Yes, all activities. So the number is there. You can call the number. Or that guy I passed earlier, I could go and see him, and he will give me more information. And you guys can do some tour on here if you want, you know, some activities, you know. There's lots of things to do here, guys. It's not just come and only sitting down on the beach, but it's a lot more to do when you're here. And this is the same thing again. Yes, I don't have much to say, it's the same thing. But the only difference is a different company. That's all. They are a different company. You can see, rent a speedboat. Speedboat for renting, guys. You see?
Hello?
So if you really want to rent a speedboat, you can do that with no problem. But the problem is, what is the price? And the thing is as well, guys, it's a nice place, but you know, this is the thing, guys, I don't like. They don't put the price, because what it is, they just want to see that you're a foreigner and just rip you off. You will still get a good price, you know, but they just feel that because you're a foreigner, you have all this money and you can afford it, so they decided to put a higher price on it. Well, to me, you know, I've seen it different, guys. You know, this is not a big welcome to the hospitality, you know. Talking about hospitality, it's not a big welcome, is it really? You know, because remember, you know, they think that, you know, you're not going to realize that, you know, you're getting ripped off. I mean, I know a lot of time that I get ripped off here, but I keep quiet. I don't say much, guys. I just get on with it. But of course, you know, I know that I'm getting ripped off. But anyway, when they do that, they can enjoy doing it, because end of the day, I can be very honest. Then when they do that, then they're not going to have the foreigners come back. They don't come back and see you again. You know, or even if they come back to Turkey again, they will just not come back to you again. That's it.
Hello, buddy.
So,
How are you? How are you?
Not too bad. How are you?
I'm feeling good. How are you? Where are you from?
Jamaican travel.
Come on.
Jamaican.
America.
Jamaica. Yeah.
What are you doing?
They're going around showing the places to the fans, you know?
Yeah, yeah. How many days you have?
Yeah, a few days.
4, 3.
Yeah, about 3, yeah.
What is me? Buddy, anybody? How are you? How are you? Too fucking hot, you know?
Yes, I'm hot, man. Tell me about it, man.
Yeah, too hot. Yeah, alright, have a nice day. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see you, trust me. Yeah.
I don't know what that guy was playing at. He don't realize how effective the camera is, you know. He don't realize that's a 5K camera he's messing about with. He just looking at the DMAC camera and see that it's so small, but he don't realize how effective it is. His camera is a 4K, guys, you know, so yeah. But you can also see, you know, you see what I'm talking about, guys, you know, they're very friendly. That's the thing I like with him, he's friendly. So yeah, he's a very nice guy, so why not? You know, people like that, you know, if they are nice to you, why not? You'll be nice to them as well. Guys, I will not do any talking in this bit. I'm going to just leave the rest and let you guys enjoy it. So you already know that is Icmeler Beach. And for more information, just Instagram me or see the link in the description. Enjoy the video.
enjoy. It was a good vacation.
Thank you so much, buddy.
Not allowed in there, are you?
No. We're not allowed in there. Why? Why not? Oh, area. Okay. It's in Turkish. Whatever. Let's go in there.
I wanted to go where it was private round there, but couldn't get round.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll go along there and get down.
okay. Wow. Is there anybody in that car? I should try and take this car, no? Is it? We take it. Anybody? Anybody?
Take it straight into the sea.
Hey, let's do that.
You have to be a great swimmer on this side.
Oh, I can swim. You did.
I can't swim.
You can't swim. Oh, well, you're gonna have trouble. You can't come down here.
Take care, guys.
Okay. Take care, buddy. Okay, so over that area is private. So we're not okay. So we're not allowed over there. Okay, all right. Understood.